Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen my videos before, you'll recognize my toolbox boombox. I've got something very exciting for this video installment. It's the Linker LT1. This product allows you to control your vehicle's remote start and security system from your cell phone. It's a nice upgrade and it's a pretty quick install. Inside the box, all you have here is a few different harnesses. This green one is really the only one you need. Literature-wise, the manuals aren't very useful. They give you the serial numbers, but they don't really describe much about how to connect the system or how to use it. But with the integration into the smartphone on the app, it's a really easy system to learn. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the app up and what the buttons all do. For the security system, we're going to be using the Omega AL-1870-3db in conjunction with the Blade AL-64 interface module. When all of these three units combine together, you've got a real powerhouse security system. It has cell phone control, two-way pager, GPS tracking, remote start, and full-featured security. Let me show you how we set it up. This cover reminds me of the Audio Vox alarms from 10 years ago that you could remove and make remote starts or make them security systems. The Blade unit plugs into these pins here in the side, and all you have to do is line it up and click it in. That's it. Super easy so far, right? The 1870 is equipped with a vacant Molex port right here on the side, which is used by the Blade in order to interface with the immobilizer or available CAN bus protocol features. And you can select which features you want it to be able to control. Once the Linkar's main harness is connected, the only wires you're going to need is this yellow one. The red and black are going to be cut off and covered so that way they'll be protected. For this purpose, I'll be using a small piece of black heat shrink. Yeah, now that's looking good. This yellow wire connects to the siren output of the 1870. Now onto the vehicle. For a Lexus ISF, the system's pretty involved. It's a push to start, so you have to interface with a lot of different modules within the vehicle. I like to heat shrink and solder all of my connections to ensure the best possible termination. Here's where the green plug-in harness is connected to the Linker system. It's a really simple setup. It's all plug and play from here. Standard to most telematically equipped GPS tracking systems. Once both of these lights turn solid, the system will be ready to go. Until then, I'm going to focus on installing the rest of the connections in the vehicle. The ISF has modules here behind the passenger side glove box and above the blower motor. You're going to have to access both of them as well as get inside of the driver's door in order to connect the lock and unlock. Finally, a quick trip over to the App Store, and we're going to download the MyCar Controls app. You'll have to create an account in order to use it, but it's a free app, and neither does it require you to provide credit card information when getting your system installed, unlike the competitors, and offers the first year of service absolutely free. Let's set it up so we can check it out in action. In test mode, I'm able to set up the app for what the vehicle is going to be named. I'm able to pick what the auxiliary outputs control, and I'm also able to pick a cover photo for the home screen. It's a pretty easy process to set up, so I'm going to go into flash forward mode so we can skip to the part where we see the functionality. Now, when using the app, if you press the lock button, it shows in the middle that the doors are locked. And if you press the unlock button, it'll also identify whether or not they're locked or unlocked. You get a green confirmation confirming that it's working. Same thing with remote start. The only difference is it pages back with the amount of time left that the vehicle is going to remain running. And likewise, the stop button will turn the remote start off. As soon as you press it, you get a green confirmation letting you know that it's stopped. You also get access to the auxiliaries. You can roll the windows up and down. But the absolute coolest feature of this system to me is the GPS tracking functionality. You can see where this car is at anytime you want from your phone. That means that you've got unlimited range to remote start, stop the vehicle. You can also check where it's at. So if someone were to steal the vehicle, or even if it got towed, you'd be able to find out where it is right away, making for a quick recovery and minimize the amount of loss and damages you'd suffer. I'd just like to thank everybody for taking the time to watch my videos. You know, this is Rav Customs at its finest, and I'm always looking for new projects or new ways that I can help out my community and add value to other people's